Hey there, it's Sarah. Have you ever felt that a younger woman you're interested in might be losing interest, but you're not quite sure why? Today, we're going to tackle how to re-attract a younger woman if she seems to have cooled off in her enthusiasm. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable strategies to renew her interest and strengthen your connection. Don't skip our bonus tip at the end of the video. It's an essential piece of advice for reigniting and maintaining her interest effectively. Make sure you stick around for that. Before we begin, for anyone feeling stuck in the dating world, check out our free 60-minute coaching call. You'll find the link in the description or pinned comment. Ready to turn things around? Let's get started. 1. Reflect on your behavior. If you've noticed a younger woman losing interest, it's time to take a good look in the mirror. Are there habits or aspects of your behavior that might be pushing her away? It's not always easy to admit, but this honest evaluation is crucial. Consider the simple things that can make a big difference. Maybe it's how often you check your phone when you're together, or perhaps you're not as enthusiastic about her interests as you could be. These small tweaks in your behavior can send strong signals that you're paying attention and that you value her company. Now, think about introducing some new aspects to your life that reflect a growth mindset. Have you always wanted to learn how to cook Italian dishes, or perhaps speak another language? Showing that you're capable of embracing new challenges not only makes your life richer, but also makes you more interesting and engaging to her. Women appreciate a man who invests in himself and his abilities. So, start with these adjustments. Refresh your daily habits, show genuine interest in her and your own passions, and watch how these changes can spark curiosity and rekindle her interest. It's about showing her that you're not just stagnant, but someone who is always evolving and exciting to be around. This could be just what she needs to see to look at you in a new light. 2. Enhance your communication. How you talk to her can truly make or break the dynamics of your interaction. It's not just about the words you say, but how you say them and how well you listen. First, focus on being present. When she's talking, really listen. This isn't the time to plan your next comment or story. It's about understanding her thoughts, her feelings, and her passions. This kind of attentive listening shows that you value her and what she has to say, which is incredibly appealing. Now, about engaging her in conversation. Ask questions that go beyond the surface. Skip the usual, "How was your day?" and try something more specific like, "What's something exciting that happened to you this week?" Or, "I remember you mentioned you like her interest. Tell me more about that." These questions show that you remember the details she shares and that you're interested in her life and interests. Also, mix up the conversation with some light humor or share something interesting about yourself. It's about finding a balance where the conversation flows naturally, and both of you feel comfortable and engaged. By enhancing the way you communicate, you'll not only keep her interested, but also deepen the connection between you. It's all about creating meaningful conversations that leave her wanting more. So next time you're together, let your conversation skills shine. 3. Create a sense of mystery. A little mystery goes a long way, especially when it comes to keeping someone interested in you. If you've fallen into a predictable routine, it might be time to shake things up a bit. Being slightly unpredictable can rekindle her interest as it keeps her curious about what you'll do next. Start by injecting some spontaneity into your interactions. How about surprising her with a day out at a place neither of you has been before? It could be as simple as a new art exhibit, a quirky cafe she has mentioned in passing, or a spontaneous road trip to a nearby town. The key is the surprise element. She won't see it coming, and the excitement of it all will make for a memorable experience. Another great way to add mystery is through unexpected gestures that show you're thinking of her. Maybe it's picking up a book by an author she loves, or sending her a song that reminds you of a fun moment you shared. These thoughtful acts show that there's depth to your feelings, which can be very appealing. By keeping her guessing about what fun and interesting things you'll come up with next, you not only keep the excitement alive, but also show that you're invested in making the relationship dynamic and engaging. 4. Revitalize your appearance. It's not just about making a good impression on her, it's about feeling great about yourself too. A boost in how you look can massively elevate your self-esteem and, of course, catch her eye in the process. Consider giving your wardrobe a bit of a refresh. You don't need a complete overhaul, just a few key pieces that fit well and look modern. A sharp jacket, well-fitting jeans, or a new pair of shoes can make all the difference. Choose clothes that make you feel confident and comfortable at the same time. Next, think about your fitness routine. Starting a new exercise regimen or revamping your current one not only helps you look better, but feel better too. Whether it's hitting the gym a few times a week, taking up a sport, or just going for regular walks, find something that you enjoy. It's all about being active and energetic, which in turn makes you more vibrant and attractive. These changes are not just about superficial looks. They're about you embodying the best version of yourself. When you take care of your appearance, it shows that you value yourself, and that's incredibly attractive. Plus, it sends a clear message that you're someone who takes pride in their presence. Appreciating the advice? If you want to dive deeper, our free 60-minute strategy call is perfect for those ready to change their dating dynamics. Learn powerful strategies to meet more women and build your confidence. Secure your spot via the link in the pinned comment. 5. Show genuine interest in her life. Showing genuine interest in her life is more than just asking how her day was. It's about engaging deeply with her experiences, ambitions, and passions. If she feels that you truly care about her life and what makes her tick, it can greatly enhance your connection. Start by paying attention to the details she shares about her day-to-day activities. Does she talk about a project she's passionate about? Ask her to tell you more about it, and perhaps offer some helpful feedback or show enthusiasm about her progress. This kind of support can mean a lot to her. If she has events or activities that are important to her, make an effort to be a part of them. Whether it's a casual work event, a family gathering, or a hobby-related activity, your presence will demonstrate that you support her interests. It's not just about being physically present, it's about being mentally engaged and showing that you value the things she loves. Celebrating her achievements is another powerful way to show your interest. Did she get a promotion, finish a major project, or reach a personal goal? Celebrate with her. It could be something as simple as a congratulatory message, a small gift related to her achievement, or taking her out to celebrate. These gestures show that you're her cheerleader. By integrating these actions into your relationship, you reinforce that her life and what she cares about matter to you. This genuine interest and support can make you an irreplaceable part of her life. 6. Give her space. This might seem counterintuitive when you're trying to re-attract a younger woman, but it's a powerful strategy. When you're always available, it's easy for anyone to take your presence for granted. Creating a little distance means she gets the chance to miss you, and it's often in the absence that we realize the value of someone. Letting her have some space allows her to reflect on your relationship and her feelings towards you without pressure. Instead of texting or calling every day, pace yourself. Give her time to wonder what you're up to. When you do connect, the conversations are likely to be more meaningful and engaging because she's had time to genuinely look forward to hearing from you. This approach doesn't just apply to communication. Sometimes, skipping an invitation to hang out or choosing to spend some time on your own activities can make a big difference. It shows you have your own life and passions, which is attractive and can make her more intrigued and eager to be a part of your world. By balancing closeness with personal independence, you enhance your desirability. She sees someone who's confident and secure, not just someone waiting on her attention. This healthy space can rekindle interest and make the time you spend together even more special. So remember, a little space can go a long way in bringing new energy and appreciation into your relationship. Bonus tip: reestablish your life goals. Showing that you are driven and have clear ambitions can significantly increase your attractiveness. It's not just about having goals, but also about how these objectives align with a healthy, active lifestyle, which can enhance your appeal. Start by taking some time to think about what you really want in life, both professionally and personally. Are your goals aimed at improving your well-being? Perhaps you're looking to advance in your career, learn a new skill, or improve your health. Whatever they are, make sure they reflect a person who is forward-thinking and committed to personal growth. Once you've got a clear idea of your goals, don't be shy to share these aspirations with her. Discuss your plans and how you're actively working towards them. This openness shows confidence and allows her to see a future with someone who's not just dreaming, but doing. Additionally, integrating healthy lifestyle choices into your goals can be particularly appealing. Whether it's a regular fitness routine, a balanced diet, or even mental health practices like meditation, these choices indicate that you're someone who values quality of life and longevity. This not only improves your own life, but also makes you a more engaging and energetic partner. By demonstrating that you are someone with direction and health-conscious habits, you naturally become more attractive. It shows you're not just living for the moment, but building a promising future that she might want to be part of. So now you know how to re-attract a younger woman. What's next for you? Discover how to drive younger women crazy, or learn the best compliments to give younger women from an older guy. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.